Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to find out MAC address in your computer. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases you need your computer MAC address. So in this video I will going to share with you within 2 steps how you can easily find out MAC address in your desktop PC or laptop. So for that, in your desktop PC or laptop, you will find here shortcut key network. So simply right click over there and click on properties, and then you will see the Venus will appear. In the left side you will find change adapter settings. Simply click over there, and here you will get all the connected device in your computer. Maybe your one is connected with LAN connection, my one is connected with Wi-Fi, so it's almost same thing. You just click over those things and then simply click on properties, and here you'll find just slightly scroll your mouse here, and then it will appear slightly your computer MAC address. You can see right over there that is my PC MAC address. So this is how you can find out MAC address. This is step number 1. If you want to find out MAC address alternate way, let me show you too. That is, go on your search icon and then type here CMD, and then you'll find here command prompt. Right click over there and then click on run as administrator. Simply click on yes, and here type ipconfig/all, hit enter, and it will give you all details about your computer. Here you can see right now that is physical address, that is my computer MAC address. So this is how easily you can find out in your desktop PC or laptop MAC address. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.